The Spurs taking on the Bucks. Another big performance for LaMarcus Aldridge. He had 34 points. Giannis had 25. He's going to get a free dunk. Can't let him do that. Can't let him get hype. An alley-oop. John Henson throwing it down. Spurs defense looking bad here in this first quarter. They're going to give up another fast break. Finish! What a flush! Greg Popovich is not happy. Second quarter. They're working out of Aldridge in the post. He gets double teamed. It doesn't matter. The hook is good. Rudy Gay almost turns it over, but Aldridge is there to save the day. Spurs have the lead now. Rudy Gay blows a dunk. And we're going the other way. Bledsoe, look at the speed. Gives it to Giannis. Another slam. Giannis has to get a few slams per game. You know the rules. They're double teaming Danny Green. He coughs it up. Giannis picks it up. You already know. He's gonna finish that. That should have been an and one. You know he got fouled. 5-point game. Alley-oop. Bad pass is tipped back by Jabari Parker to Henson. Take another look at that behind the head. Not even looking. The Bucks are having fun in this one. Still in the third. Bledsoe gets loose and one. That Spurs defense is looking weak. You know Popovich is irate. He's got to do something. He's got to call a timeout. He's got to get this team ready to get back into this game. Gasol is left wide open. He throws down a dunk. That's rare to see him running from the three-point line at this point in his career. Spin move. Murray over Jason Terry. Still plenty of time. Anything is possible. 5-point game. 3 is missed. Rebound. Put up and in. 3-point game. Spurs can tie at the buzzer. Murray dribbling it out. He's going to pop it. He lets it go. It's way off. Bucks win. Popovich is mad. This league for a long time. I bought the penthouse in the neighborhood. It's 4 stories of glory. 4 stories of luxury. And I've got 2 girlfriends. Not 1, but 2. I'm like Lou Will. 1 slim, 1 thick. When you got a penthouse like